All right, I wanted to show y'all some stuff that I got by putting out a Facebook ad. You know, a paid advertisement for Facebook's. It's had some really great results so far, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to get more into it, but I wanted to show you what I got here. I got some laptops, you know, not too old, but you know, look at this Dell. This Dell's nice and old, and then this is really old satellite, clunky satellite, Toshiba satellite, PRS 402U. So I'm sure that's got some really good stuff in there. So I'm going to take these. Oh, and then these are old MS-DOS games. So I'm sure that AR, the dungeon, I'm sure this is going to be great stuff. So sit tight and we'll look at some more stuff. And another one that I got from one of the Facebook ads is this old Gateway 2000. It definitely has one of those baller CPUs in it. So I'm going to be cracking that open. Got an old Packard Bell, nasty monitor. I usually don't take these, but it was with this and I did not want to do or say anything that was going to spoil it, so I took it. And then I got that old Pentium 4 Dell over there. Yeah, so excited to see what's going on and opening them up.